Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2021 and possibly beyond Alfa Romeo Giulia four-door sedan. This rack system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Clamp foot pack set of four and the Thule WingBar Evo load bars set of two, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four rubberized metal door frame brackets and four molded rubber base pads. Both of these have numbers assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet, which is included with the fitting kit. And those will guide you in the correct placement on the proper foot. So here's one of the feet. I'll remove the outer cover. And with that outer cover removed, you can see we've applied a sticker that comes with the fit kit to identify this foot as the front left position. So then you would just determine which of the rubber base pads and door frame brackets are for that position. You'd apply that number to the underside of the foot, and then you would install the door frame bracket into the assembly here by a simple press and click. And then you've installed one of the sets on one of the feet. Now within the foot, you have these two silver tabs here, and those silver tabs allow us to install the load bar. And here's a sample that we've cut down so that you can see the construction. This is an extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track accessed by opening the end cap where you can slide in hardware for certain carriers to hold the carrier directly to the top of the bar, giving you a nice clean integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar, we can remove the end cap to allow us to slide the foot into the underside of the bar. You'll see here we have a measuring device, and it has numbers, and again those numbers correspond to numbers on the instruction sheet to make sure you have the proper placement of the foot on the bar. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll press in on those metal tabs there, the silver tabs, and slide the foot, and then I'll continue to bring it down to where it rests against that tab there. Now you'll notice here we have an area where the slot is still exposed. Thule provides a rubber strip that we can just press into that area to maintain a good aerodynamic performance. We'll go ahead and put the end cap back into place, and then when it's time to tighten this onto the vehicle, Thule's provided a tool that you use to tighten that fastener. And once it's tight, the tool handle will click, and that gives you guidance on how tight to tighten it onto the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place, and then give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder here. And you can purchase these in sets of matched metal lock cylinders so that one key can operate, lock and unlock all four of your feet, but also compatible accessories can also be key matched. And that way you can have everything key matched and simplified with one key operation. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2021 and possibly beyond Alfa Romeo Giulia four-door sedan with a bare roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Be sure to see the links in the video description for all your buying options for this rack system. Also, we have a video that goes into more detail about the installation that you can watch as well for further support for when it's time to install. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.